Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can add a link in your TikTok bio. It will be a clickable link. So you want to add a link to your TikTok bio, you can't figure out how you can do it. You want a clickable link, you want people to go to your website or your YouTube channel or your Instagram account or somewhere that you want to redirect to people, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio in very easy way. It's a very simple process, you'll have no problem doing it. So the first thing you want to do in order to add a link to your TikTok bio is open your TikTok application on your mobile device. Once you open a TikTok application, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to add the link to. If you're not logged in, go ahead and log in. Once you log into that account, what you want to do is go into your profile by clicking on the profile option on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Once you go to your profile, now what you want to do is switch your profile into a professional account. So to do that, what you want to do is tap on the three bars on the top right corner of the screen. Then go into manage account. Once you go into manage account, here you'll see an option labeled as switch to business account. Tap on that option. Once you tap on that option, they'll ask you to confirm your decision, then tap on next. Once you do that, here you'll need to select a category. If you have a category to your account, select that. If not, select a random category. I'll select gaming for now, then I'll tap on next. Once you do that, you'll change your account to a business account. For now, you can tap on skip. Now what you want to do is go ahead and copy the link that you want to add in a TikTok bio. Once you do that, come back to your profile, then tap on edit profile option. Then here you'll see an option labeled as website, so tap on that website option. Now this is where you want to paste the link. Now once you add the link that you want people to visit, what you can do is tap on the save option on the top right corner. Once you do that, you'll successfully add a link to your TikTok bio. Here you can see the link is present in my TikTok bio, and it's a clickable link. Once I click on that link, then tap on open, I will be redirected to the page where I want people to go. So that is how you add a link to your TikTok bio, a clickable link to your TikTok bio. So that was the simple steps in order to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.